Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about true about psychotic future in depression is. The main psychotic features in depression are 1. They are found in severe depression. Yes, psychotic features are present in severe depression and mood incongruent psychotic feature is seen. So if you see, actually the depression, that is severe depression, is divided into two types. One, associated with psychotic symptoms, or second, it is not associated with psychotic symptoms. Okay, if this depression is not associated with psychotic symptoms, it is again of two types. If it is associated with psychotic symptoms, if the depression is associated with psychotic symptoms, it can be either mood congruent or it can be mood incongruent. It can be mood congruent or mood incongruent. So this is seen in severe depression. So here in depression with psychotic feature, it is seen in severe depression and it can be mood incongruent psychotic feature. Thank you and thank you for watching.